Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we learn how to make Chinese mustard green salty egg soup. It's a very delicious Chinese soup. Let's start. Firstly, we should prepare ingredients for this soup. Cut 3 slices of ginger. Then save them for later. Wash 200 gram mustard green. Then cut them into small pieces. Then save them for later. Cut 150 gram of lean meat into slices. Then save them for later. Second, we should prepare 2 raw salty duck eggs. Use water to wash off the dirt on the surface of the salty egg. Then separate the egg yolk from the egg white. Before cutting the egg yolk, spread some cold oil on the knife to avoid getting egg yolk. Then cut the egg yolk into pieces. Then save them for later. Now we can start to cook mustard green salty egg soup. 1 tablespoon cold oil, 1/4 teaspoon cooking wine, ginger, lean meat, egg yolk into the pot. Use high heat to stir fry them until fragrant. Then about 1,500 ml water to immerse them. After the water has boiled, immerse the grain into the pot. 1/2 teaspoon white pepper into the pot. Stir them evenly. Then egg white into the pot. Stir them evenly. Then we got the delicious Chinese mustard green salty egg soup. This soup is very suitable for summer. Hope you can try it at home. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe or like us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next Chinese food. Bye.